Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about Filecoin and literally talk about why it's been exploding today, because the price has done ridiculous amounts of gains in just literally 24 hours. So we'll take a look at that. Just before though, let's take a look at the market as a whole and just kind of see what's going on. So as we can see here, the crypto market today is trading at 1.16 trillion, down 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down, but still holding above that 24k level. ETH is close to that 1.7k, also down in the last 24 hours. And in terms of the top 10, I mean, a lot of these coins are down apart from OKB, which is doing really well, up 10.4%. Polygon is also up as well. And a lot of the other coins, Polkadot is up 8.5%, Solana is down. So yeah, the market seems to be more red today rather than green, at least in the top 100. And if I sort this, so you can see Filecoin is up 35%, so absolutely killing it. ICP is up as well. I believe ICP had a partnership today, which was with let me just see if I can find the name for you guys. So the partnership today was with a organization that pulls on that slogan, made in Italy, and it was Fedor Italy. So that was the partnership today, and literally you can see the price has gone up 25%. And just before we jump into Filecoin, let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Currently trading at 61, yesterday 62. So we are within that greed range, and we seem to be kind of settling there. Last week was neutral, last month was neutral as well. So I'm really hoping that this is kind of like the kickstart to a bull season, and potentially we can start to move to that that real greed area, into the more kind of greed section within this kind of speedometer as well. So yeah, I hope we can kind of move to that extreme greed, but let's kind of see how it plays out. And in terms of Filecoin, so let's just take a look at the price now. So I'll switch back to CoinGecko. So yeah, $7.75. And guys, if you do remember, I did make a video on Filecoin probably about a month or so ago now, and I was talking about it when it was like $3.80. So if you had literally bought at that point, you would have doubled your money, which is good. But obviously nothing that I say is financial advice, so please do your own research before you do look to invest. But as we can see here, market cap is 3 billion, fully diluted valuation of 15 billion. So still showing that there's quite a few tokens to be released to the ecosystem, and all-time high was $236. So even if we get close to that number, I mean, that will be a magnificent amount of gains on your initial investment if you was buying at $3, or even if you were to buy at $7 as well. So yeah, the token seems to be doing really well. Last 30 days up 67%, which is huge. And yeah, overall it seems to be pulling out the greens, I guess, in the last 30 days or so. So looking pretty good. And in terms of the article, I guess there was an article that was printed today. So Filecoin price soars 20% on this major development and details. So you can see here, world's largest decentralized storage network, Filecoin, announces the launch of Filecoin virtual machine, and that's going to allow smart contracts and user programmability as well, making it a full-fledged layer 1. So it's going to be competing with the likes of Solana, Ethereum, Aptos, Avalanche, and I guess all the other competitive layer 1s out there. But overall, this is bullish for Filecoin. Huge announcement, yeah, to bring in that functionality of FVM and allow those smart contracts to be running off the network, and also the programmability function as well, making it a full-fledged layer 1. So here you can see Filecoin aims to establish a leading position in the already competitive layer 1 blockchain space, with over 3,800 storage providers and almost 14 EIB of storage capacity. Filecoin is currently the world's largest decentralized storage network. And obviously, guys, even on my previous video as well, I did talk about Filecoin and some of the functionalities behind it. So if you haven't checked that video out, do please take a look, and you know, it would just give you a bit more insight into the project itself. But overall, looking very bullish. And again, do your own research, have a look at this article, and just do your own research in terms of the, I guess, the development that Filecoin are looking to bring out, because obviously that's really set the price off massively today. So if we take a quick look at the charts, I'll just quickly load them up here. We can see on the 8 hourly here, Filecoin has literally exploded, trading above the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. Had the golden cross as well. Had the golden cross, did drop back down to the 200 EMA levels, and used those levels as a area of support. But literally we've ripped since that time and moved upwards, and we're currently trading at that you know, that $7.80-ish level. If we can break this key level, so $7.80, then I guess the next level that we could be looking at is potentially $8.89 roughly. So if we can break this key area here, but we are on a massive upwards trend for Filecoin, also on the MACD as well, looking very bullish. So let's just pull in, if I just pull in this parallel channel, we are currently just doing this, literally trading straight up and just trading within those channels there. So just up and down within those channels. If we can break this key level, then we can, you know, see those higher levels, which was the $8.90-ish. What was it? $8? Yeah, roughly $8.90 potentially, if we can break this key level. If I just pull in the Bollinger Bands, currently we are trading well out of the Bollinger Band, so potentially we might even just drop back down before we make that move to the upside. Potentially we might drop down to, I guess, this level of support, which is at the 50 EMA, so will be roughly $5.40, and then continue moving up to the upside. Or we could potentially just drop down to about $6.45 and then continue moving on to the upside. But overall, it's looking very, very bullish for Filecoin, from my perspective anyways. So yeah, hit me up in the comments below, let me know what you thought about the announcement about the development for the FVM functionality that they're bringing out. And yeah, let me know if you're investing in Filecoin, and hit me up in the comments, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.